Hi guys, I miss you. See you idiots. Hi guys, I have my little piece of sausage. It's just yet again. How do you go, barriers? I'm going to film this from the ground.
Yeah, okay. But actually once in a YouTube channel, in a YouTube video, we're doing it from the ground.
Yeah,
But we're having heart failures, but yes, we're doing it from the ground.
we actually just wanted to do it from the ground in closure.
I know you might have heart failures because we always do it from bed.
I might go to the other side of the track. I might cross over from that side.
The other day, well, I think it was yesterday, teenagers decided to bang on the gate.
I'm gonna cross over.
Yeah, we're just going to cross over after that.
I can hear sirens probably go for an ambulance that are crossing that.
I can't get a wave now.
Hey, you can. Come from that way.
Yeah, so I know you
Stand
might
back a
have,
bit, Mark,
I know you might be having heart failures, but we are filming it from the ground. I know. Shocking, right?
I like that ambulance going across that bridge and that. I come from behind.
Is it 377 coming?
Huh?
Is it 377?
No, the ambulance, I know. I don't know where it's coming from.
Is it coming from that way? Because
It's probably on that bridge, probably on the Golden Jubilee Way. Oh, it's just how I come.
oh, here it comes.
We're trying to find the ambulance.
I'm going to put my hand in the other video if I'm going to get away.
Don't wait, because you'll bloody scare the crap out of people.
What?
Don't wait, because you'll bloody scare the crap out of people these days. No, I don't know where that ambulance has gone. She's going like 30, it's an all train.
It's an all, it's a 377.
Yeah, she's going like 30, sound like a bit, because they're bloody. Don't wave.
Yeah, I can't bother.
Yeah, Pete. Right, go like 3. 367 457. 457 to all and.
Jake's,
Oh, there you go, thank God for the video.